Tesla CEO Elon Musk issues strong statement on the cost of electric vehicle battery materials as we look ahead a few years. Welcome back, friends. This is Armen Harayan from torquenews.com. The declining price of lithium will make a huge difference in the affordability of making and buying electric vehicles, and Elon Musk is particularly happy about it. According to Bloomberg, an easing of supply pressures has seen the cost of lithium carbonate halved, while nickel and cobalt, other important materials used in the production of electric vehicle batteries, have also seen a drop in prices. On a Tesla earnings call, company CEO Elon Musk noted per Bloomberg that lithium prices went absolutely insane there for a while, but he added that, quote, deflationary pressures seem to be prevailing. The price reductions will make production of Tesla vehicles or electric vehicle costs more affordable, making price cuts more feasible for electric vehicle producers and prices better for electric vehicle buyers. This is why Tesla has already slashed the prices of its more expensive models in a bid to boost its demand. The international journal Nature published details of how lithium-ion batteries are smaller and lighter than nickel-cadmium batteries, but still provide the same power. They also retain their charge for longer and are composed of much less toxic materials. The possibility of better lithium batteries is seen as one of the most crucial factors in the move away from dirty energy. While the generation of power via solar and wind is well known and increasingly common, storing that energy is a bigger problem. In cars especially, power storage is a vital factor in purchasing decisions. The ability to travel greater distances on a single charge is a huge pull factor, but having heavy batteries can be detrimental to an electric vehicle's performance. Lighter lithium batteries, therefore, are now more favored. Tesla is constructing a lithium refinery in Texas, which is set to be completed in 2024, according to the Austin American-Statesman. According to Reuters, Musk said at the groundbreaking ceremony that the facility would produce enough lithium to help build around 1 million electric vehicles by 2025. Here is what Musk said. As we look ahead a few years, a fundamental choke point in the advancement of electric vehicles is the availability of battery-grade lithium, Musk added. Journalist Angela Piaz tweeted images from that groundbreaking. As shared by The Economist Asia Business and Finance editor Mike Bird, research from Morgan Stanley has revealed that the value of Chinese exports of lithium batteries, solar cells, motor vehicles, and motor parts is set to surpass those of mobile phones and computers in 2023. The declining prices of lithium will make a huge difference in the affordability of electric vehicles and making electric vehicles, and like I said, this is good news for everyone in the electric vehicle industry. What do you think, friends? Let me know your thoughts about the declining prices of materials that will be used by Tesla and other electric vehicle maker companies to make electric vehicles more affordable and cheaper in the coming years. This is Armen Harayan from torquenews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news. God bless you, everyone, and I look forward to your comments and your opinion in the comment section for our discussion. I have a new video I want to share with you of Tesla Semi transporting a Cybertruck. Where is this Semi going, and why is it taking the Cybertruck, and how come the Cybertruck is not driving itself? Let's find out together. Welcome back, everyone. This is Armen Harayan from torquenews.com. If you are here first time, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. So, new video surfaced on TikTok showing a Tesla Semi transporting the Cybertruck, probably for nationwide testing. TikTok user named Installer Rossi has shared a new video in which you can see that the Tesla Semi transporting the Cybertruck. Where is it going? We don't know. But the Semi is probably transporting the Cybertruck for nationwide testing. I'm going to tell you why. We have been seeing a lot of random Cybertruck videos lately, but this is the first time I see the Cybertruck being transported by a Tesla Semi ahead of its mass production and imminent deliveries to Cybertruck reservation holders. The chatter on X, which is the former Twitter, is that Tesla is testing the Cybertruck around the country for the next few months. They are building 1 or 2 Cybertrucks per day right now. However, production is expected to ramp up soon. Therefore, expect sightings of Cybertruck to increase exponentially. Especially, don't be surprised if you see Tesla Cybertruck electric pickup truck far away from Giga Texas or California. Now, let's talk about the nationwide Cybertruck testing. If you remember, recently Tesla announced that it was hiring seasonal vehicle operators in Utah, Texas, Colorado, Washington, and I think in some other states. These are at-will temporary positions. Tesla says that was a quote, at-will temporary positions. And the assignment is expected to, quote, last 3 months. It's a temporary assignment. These Tesla drivers are responsible for, quote, capturing high-quality data that will contribute to the improvement of our vehicle's performance, Tesla wrote on its hiring page. Not a bad job, right? To test drive Tesla and get paid for it. But you probably have to have some engineering, some great, interesting capacity or capabilities and skills. Now, these drivers will operate the vehicle in a designated area for data collection. Tesla bodes, this bodes really well with what you see in this video. Why? Because Tesla Semi is moving the Cybertruck to probably one of these states where it will be given to one of these hired drivers and they will test drive the vehicle. Tesla probably has designated several areas, states in the United States based on certain criteria, and they are probably using the Tesla Semi to move the Cybertruck to these regions to test the electric truck to improve the vehicle in all regards. It's very wise of Tesla to use the Semi. Why use a diesel truck? They're transporting Cybertruck and they're using their own semi-truck. That's probably saving Tesla some money, of course, and resources. So this is really good. Now, what do you think about this, friends? Is these these riders actually that will, not riders, these drivers that will provide feedback and suggest improvements to Tesla after they test drive Tesla's vehicles. And of course, Tesla will need this for new vehicles. And here you go, the Cybertruck. In any case, what a sight to see, right? Tesla Semi transporting a Tesla Cybertruck. A lot of people thought this would never happen before. Were you one of them? Let me know your thoughts, friends, in the comments section. This is Armen Haraya from TalkTales.com. Have a great day. Subscribe to our channel, please. See you soon in our next report.